Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset on your headphones Sony. So firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that press and hold power button on your left ear cup to turn off it. Here we go, we just turn off it and it also disconnect from your phone. So now we should turn on it by press and hold again. And it will reconnect to your phone, and now we should see it at the device list that it's connected. And right here we have connection. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!